सुनील कोरी एंड वेलकम बैक इन माय चैनल जिसका नाम है ए प्लस ऑटोमोटिव। आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम आई एम ब्रिंगिंग अ वीडियो इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू ड्यू टू अ बिजी शेड्यूल। मैं वीडियो नहीं बना पा रहा था। सो नाउ रेगुलर बेसिस पे अब आपको वीडियो मिलना स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे। सो टुडेज टॉपिक इन दिस लेक्चर वी हैव अ टर्बोचार्जर. This is a basic video. We will cover the basic thing which is used in a turbocharger or turbocharged engine. So let's begin our first slide of turbocharger. So the topic which we will cover in this video is what is turbocharger, function of turbocharger, construction of turbocharger, working of turbocharger and types of turbocharger. So these are the only basic fundamental we are covering in this slide only. There are many more things which we can learn in the later part of the video, which is a little advanced thing is turbocharger. But before going in the advanced module, we have to properly know the basic things of turbocharger. So let's move ahead. Here is given first point, what is turbocharger. So a turbocharger is a device fitted to a vehicle's engine that is designed to improve the overall volumetric efficiency and increases performance. जिसका मतलब साफ है, हम सब जानते हैं कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो टर्बोचार्जर था वो डीजल इंजन के लिए इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया, बट नाउअडेज along with diesel engine it is mostly used in a petrol engine which is a GDI, gasoline direct injection engine, is a turbocharged engine. The overall concept is here कि we have to increase their efficiency, volumetric efficiency and the performance of the engine. So with the help of the turbocharging, the manufacturer are going in a downsizing concept. Downsizing concept means overall weight of the engine they are reducing but not the power. Instead of 4 cylinder they are using 3 cylinder. The 1 cylinder जो उन्होंने कम किया उसका जो गैप था वो किसने ओवरकम कर दिया, टर्बोचार्जर लगाने से ओवरकम हो गया. So therefore this is the main reason, that is why manufacturers are choosing the turbocharging in their vehicle. In petrol engine also they are increasing their horsepower and torque. So moving ahead, function of turbocharger. Turbocharger करता क्या है, जैसे आपने देखा कि वॉल्यूमेट्रिक एफिशिएंसी बढ़ा ही रहा है, बट व्हाट एल्स और व्हाट इन डिटेल. The function of turbocharger is to increase the power output of engine without adjusting the engine itself. That means हम इंजन के अंदर किसी भी तरह का मॉडिफिकेशन नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम विदाउट चेंजेस एनी पार्ट, विदाउट चेंजेस एनी calculation, we are increasing the power output of engine. An engine would usually have a made of a large and heavier to gain power. That is clear. जैसे अभी आपको बताया मैंने कि if we want more power, so olden days में क्या होते थे, मैन्युफैक्चरर लार्ज इंजन बनाते थे, हेवियर इंजन बनाते थे, जिसकी वजह से उनको पावर ज़्यादा मिलना चाहिए था. बट ऑन द अदर हैंड द टर्बोचार्जर मच स्मॉलर एंड लाइटर. सो कॉन्सेप्ट ये यूज़ किया गया कि इंस्टेंट ऑफ मेकिंग अ हेवियर इंजन we will use a one small and lighter component. Additionally, it is a powered by the exhaust gases. That is the main fundamental concept is here, because the turbocharger is working on free exhaust energy. That means जब टर्बोचार्जर काम करेगा तो उसका इंजन पे किसी भी प्रकार का लोड नहीं रहेगा, वो एग्जॉस्ट के फ्री एनर्जी पे काम करेगा. दैट मीन्स जो एनर्जी, द काइनेटिक एनर्जी विच इज लीविंग फ्रॉम द साइलेंसर पाइप, वी आर यूजिंग दैट काइनेटिक एनर्जी and we boost energy in the form of compressed air in an engine. So this is the basic advantage. We can say the whole automobile manufacturers are mostly using a turbocharger. So here is a construction of turbocharger. You can see that there is a two housing is here. One is turbine housing with turbine blade, another is a compressor housing with compressor blade. These two blades are connected with a common shaft. That means this full assembly is a turbocharger assembly. तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि जैसे कि इंजन वर्क करने के बाद जैसे ही इंजन वर्किंग स्टार्ट होता है, सक्शन, कंप्रेशन, एग्जॉस्ट, द एग्जॉस्ट गैस विच इज लीविंग फ्रॉम एग्जॉस्ट पाइप is firstly goes into the turbine housing. The role of the exhaust gas is that it rotate the turbine only, and after rotating the turbine it goes to the silencer and in the exhaust environment. So once he finished his work, along with the rotation of the turbine, the shaft also rotate. As the shaft rotate, the compressor will also start rotating. The main difference in that is that the blade of the turbine is exactly opposite to the curvature of the compressor blade. So it is expanding the exhaust gas out, and compressor blade is compressing the incoming air inside. So as we see, here is the incoming air from the atmosphere, which is around 1 bar. As it enters in the compressor housing, the compressor blade start compressing it. After compressing, his pressure is increasing. As the pressure is increasing, the output air's temperature also increases. So we have to lower the temperature by using the intercooler or the heat exchanger. Once the hot compressed air is passed in the intercooler, it cools down. After cooling down, that compressed air is enter into the inlet manifold. So what we are doing here, we are using a free kinetic energy on the basis of on the help of we compress the low pressure gas into high pressure gas and forcing into the engine cylinder, by which we are getting a boost power. After getting the boost power, the overall chain cycle is repeating. As it repeating, we will get a more power output. So I hope till now it is clear to you ki how the turbocharger construction is here. So moving ahead, working. So in previous slide also there is some part of working I already explained. So in the 3D diagram you can see the how the gas come into the turbine housing. After rotating the blade, it goes out. With the help of that gas pressure, the shaft is in rotating, and along with the shaft the compressor wheel is rotating. The whole chain reaction of one side to the other side is given here. So this is the whole working of the turbocharger in given here. So moving to ahead, types of turbocharger. So overall we have 6 or 7 types of turbocharger. First, single turbocharger. Second, twin turbocharger. Third, twin scroll turbocharger. Then fourth, variable geometry turbocharger. Then fifth, variable twin scroll turbocharger. Then sixth, electrical turbocharger and wastegate turbocharger. So in the next lecture we will cover at least two major things which is used in light commercial vehicle or medium commercial vehicle, which is variable geometry turbocharger and wastegate turbocharger. Along with, we will cover electric turbocharger, how it work and what are the separate component we are using. So I hope till now everything is clear about turbocharger. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई चैनल एंड इसी तरह के और भी वीडियो के लिए आप प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए A+ ऑटोमोटिव चैनल्स को। थैंक यू।